Hello, it's Jackie Green from GA Interior Solutions, where we are helping build a stronger design community through training and educational resources. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to hide and unhide elements and components in Revit. There are a couple of ways to hide and unhide in Revit. After you watch this video, you will have a good understanding of both methods. In this example, I am working on a restroom elevation. I'm running into a problem with items being in my elevation view. I can either hide items temporarily or on a more permanent basis while I work. To hide an element or component temporarily, I will select what I want to hide and then click the eyeglasses in the control bar at the bottom of the model space. This will bring up four options: isolate category, isolate element, or hide element. In the hide category, you would hide all items associated with that category. For instance, if I select the sink and then go to the eyeglasses and choose hide category, notice that all of my plumbing fixtures disappear. You will also notice the blue border that appears around the modeling space. This tells me I have something hidden temporarily. I can continue working until I am ready to reset my plumbing fixtures. To reset my plumbing fixtures, I can go back to the eyeglasses and click Reset Temporary Hide Isolate. Notice my fixtures are now within the view. If I want to hide the partitions temporarily, I can use the hide element. It would only hide the one element. Go to the eyeglasses, hide element. Again, the blue box appears. You can now make any changes you want. And when you are ready to turn back on the hidden item, just go back to the eyeglass and click Reset Temporary Hide or Isolate. Now there is a second way to hide elements in categories. If I want to hide the counter, then I can select the counter, click my right mouse button, and select Hide in View. At this point I have three options: Element, Category, or by filter. I'm going to select Elements. Notice that my counter has disappeared. The shortcut to hide an element is EH. Notice that with this option, I do not have the blue box around my model space. To see what is hidden, I will click on the light bulb in the View control bar. Notice this time a red border appears, and anything that I have hidden will be in red. You can see from here, I have my counter hidden, as well as my apron for my counter, as well as soap dispensers. To unhide an element, I select it and either click the Modify tab and say Unhide Element, or I can select the apron here, right-click, and say Unhide in View and select Elements. To close out of the hide mode, I can either click the X here, or I can go down and just select the light bulb again. I hope you found this free video tutorial helpful. If you would like to receive more Revit tutorials or other training tips, please sign up at www.gainteriorsolutions.com/Revit. GA Interior Solutions offers several training options specifically created for interior designers.